compared to that of March, it's 1,896. That means that still now 2025 cars are involved in accidents, a door to change that of 2024.
All right.
And a nipa ekumuye, nipa ewuye in 2025 is 254 people. Over 2024, nipa ewuye 240. A once who be shout to me who say 2025 nipa ewuye due to accident, has increased. I think about 15 or 14. Yeah. Yeah, a nipa sebi omu pre praye, sebi onyame adom, omu de omu nguba omu pre praye. We are looking at 1,360.
All right.
As compared to 2024, which is 1,271. And it's still la ushemwa. Utimi who say 2025 no accident you see any nipa e pre praye no. 2025 and the door to change 2024. Yeah, omo nam kwan so to say obi or nam kwan ho ko ni baby and
pedestrian knockdown.
Yeah, I think it's the last year or so a lady from Kwame Nkrumah University no jina ni baby according to report yes no ko ne laptop into jina kwan ho obefa ne car akọ baby o ko ne laptop no and a car bi betwi fa ne so a okum no ya we just have pedestrian knockdowns in so in 2025 we are having 202 as compared to 2024 192.
Wow.
And it's still now 2025 March and 2024 March which means say accident cases here reported here any vehicles are not involved any nipa injured any pedestrian knockdowns 2025 then year higher. 2024. That means we are having increase. I honor say yes na amino and as a crofwa a dim to trapano a yahu eduma. Change who share percentage now. Not just 2025 then 2024 then the difference between them no any percentage and I know so yaya wa hakama.
All right.
And to be to say 2025 then 2024 now March reported cases here 1,145 as compared to March 2025 which is 1,218. So when you strike the difference the percentage that you have is 6.4. That means that there has been an increase. It's the same thing as to the other ones now. Yes, city or ASEAN. It will show graphical view of the whole thing now. Make one some more. And also and a day until 2024 and 2025 cases now and in graph form and also a day and it's already cases reported in 2024 now 1,218 as compared to that of 2024 which is 1,145 and the vehicles that were in 1,971 as against 2024 1,896. A person killed as in 2025 is 254 as compared to 2024 which is 240, and then the persons injured 1,360 as compared to 2024 1,271.
Right.
The pedestrian knockdown which is 202 in 2025 and 192 in 2024.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, to also approve. Yeah, but January to March 2025 and 2024. Accident cases are aba near yehu comparison no so yahwe senior ekosi ye January 2025 to March 2025 any January 2024 to March 2024 and so case and that board you see ya omo show Facebook no ombenya ahwebim. So there are cases that were reported. Cases are reported here in January to March 2025. We are having 3,674.
Wow.
As compared to that of 2024, which is 3,405, representing 7.9% when you strike the difference. Vehicles that were involved in this same issue, that is 2025 January to March, and that of 2024 January to March, the vehicles that were involved, cars are involved in 3,674 accidents, 6,143. As compared to that of January to March in 2024, which is 5,789. And the prof, what's our analysis? We out to me who say 2025 first quarter, accident no so increase pa I say asem kese a yehwe na yeso ano yenso ano kra na ye limit the number of accident cases that happening in the country.
Sure.
There are persons that were killed in 2024 January to March. We are having 752 as compared to that of 2024 we are having 609. Nkrofo a omu enjoy as omu prepare due to accidents yenya 4,287 as compared to 2024 January to March 3,823.
Wow.
And then that of the pedestrian knockdowns we have January to March in 2025 650 and that of January to March in 2024 573. And two shots and the ROH say 2025 and 2024 accident cases so your comparison first quarter no, there has been an increase in that of the 2025 cases.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Enti adebia esi ehwe na yema yeni da ho na yesi anokwan. Enti uba graph nso a eno so ne no kama eda he. O here comparison graph na utimi say 2025 there no ekosoro echen 2024 there.
That's amazing.
All the graphs are showing that. Enti prof asem bia ese yehwe na yehwe ne ka ho asem. Now me to also we are the percentage wise no and so abaha and the case that were reported in 2025 and 2024 now when you strike the difference in between them we have 7.1 that 7.9 that of the case reported, vehicles involved 6.1, persons killed 23.5, persons injured 12.1, sure. And that of pedestrian knockdown 13.4. And to just what who said differences are a war 2024 and 2025 you know quite a huge number.
All right.
Prof Metwaso road accidents you know according to MTTD you know categorizing in three folds. Now definition say we have minor road accidents,
sure.
We have fatal road accidents, and we have serious road accident. Say can say fatal accident now. Fatal near definition according to them, no. Fatal near say accident biasi na enipa free. And no friend no fatal accident. Now serious accident ni accident a esia nkofo pre ne nia ebinim koda hospital nyame adom ho to mom ye yi om. And a minor ones ni say bia ye di traffic no be dia bebo meto ana obi dia be pem me na me car ne ba bia moa ne kakran no so and I'm describing it as minor road accident. After that TV so yeah. In 2025 March alone, minor accident is 597, representing 49%, and the fatal accident is 217, representing 18%, and that of the accident I report here in 2025 March alone is 404, representing 33%. You had the same issue to January and March 2025.
Sure.
The same minor, fatal, and serious accident in 2025 March, January to March 2025. You had January to March, we are having 1,765. Representing 48%, and fatal accident give us 612, giving us 17%, and that of a serious accident giving us 1,297, representing 35%. And the overall comparison from January to March 2025, now compare that of the January 2024. Ultimately, who say a honso accident no increase here, say na yaka ho asem na afa ye be distribution by month 2025 and that of 2024.
Great.
Yes, and it's all right graph here that TV issue what means you indicated blue no as for 2025 and akoko sra de ne so 2024 na osha graph here that yes kra na say man be gina ha anchire mo anchire kra na a layman person or ten baby kra be who say 2025 there no ejinejina soro pa January 2025 1,252 as compared to January 2024 1,142, and that of February we are having 1,204 as compared to 2024 1,118. And that of March 2025 and 2024, we are having 2025 as 1,218. And that of 2025, 1,114. And to me said this year, no first quarter, no accident represent and as a report here compared to that of last year, accident report here, no increase or maimu. I say a shahu asem eka.
All right.
There's also a distribution of injuries where you're almost prior in 2025 and 2024. We are still doing the comparison between 2025 and 2024, the first quarter. And to get injuries, what 2025 and 2024 monthly now. What do you say? January, 1,395.
Wow.
And I will share that of 2024, 1,330. Now February, so you're 1,532. And that of 2024, 1,222. Yambra March and so my 1,360. That is in 2025. And I'll call 2024, and so am I 1,271. And there are all indications are saying, say, in 2025, you know, accident cases are reported here, even on monthly distribution on injuries, you know, and also a cost of power graph here and that approach here. Yansha monthly distribution, no, our omu ye, our accident mu. Ya no so ya categorizing in January, February, March, and what January na January 231 in 2025 as compared to January 2024, which is 174, and now about February so 2025 enya 2.
Also, that presentation I will make, you know, it is very disturbing to me. And you know, my bombarding I call the National Road Safety Authority boss and chain. Bema lawyer Ibrahim Amaliba. Now yene Edin Komo Accra afa someone would they actually in the way on Sompa 106.5 FM. Lawyer, yama kwa baba for God and country jumedi no so Sompa 106.5 so.